Hi everyone, so here's some of my six top tips to help beat back pain that you can do right now. Number one, leave your heels at home, ladies, while you heal. Okay, often heels can cause problems in the lower back, puts more pressure through the base of the spine. So leave them at home. Number two, move it or lose it. If you're not moving and you're resting and you've been told to rest and sit, often makes it worse, puts more pressure in the lower back. Move it, it will help that healing process. Number three, get your wallet, gentlemen, out of your back pocket, because oftentimes when you do that, your hips will raise on one side or the other, depending on which side it's in, and that puts pressure on the nerves, causing problems and pain. For the ladies, get your bag off of your shoulder if you have one of those bags, and change it for the other side, just to give your shoulders a balance between the two. Number four, set yourself the 10,000 step challenge. If you haven't yet, get one of those trackers. They're a fantastic way to help keep healthy and active. And great research suggests that doing 10,000 steps a day really will change your life. Number five, Netflix or Amazon and chill with a pillow between your legs. So if you are, this Valentine's Day specifically, going to be doing some relaxation on the sofa and chill, then make sure you do it with a pillow between your legs, because it will help to keep everything in the best position. Number six, get some help, get some hands-on treatment. Make the decision today. Don't ignore it and think it's going to go away. Often these problems, when they're left, they come back or they get worse over time. And so make the decision and get some hands-on treatment and find out really what the problem is and why you're having it. So if you're interested, these are my 6 top tips to beat back pain. If you're interested in learning more about those tips and dive into deeper, type back. Type back in the comments below to get your free guide. That's if you don't understand why it's been there longer than you should, you don't know what to do about it, if you feel like you don't know what's wrong, you want to keep active without the reliance of painkillers, this guide is for you. Type back into the comments below to get your free guide now.